Now we're going to move over to the US and we're going to use spatial locations to make some selections instead of using the attribute table. So let's see, let's pan over here. So here's the US, and the question is, how many incidents occurred near the US? So this is another instance where you might find yourself tempted to just count them, but please don't do that. We want to select points that are within a distance. I think one of the most straightforward ways to do this is to select the US, which is going to select the different components of the United States, and then we're going to do a select by location. And this is a tool that just chooses things. It just selects things like I just did, and you can clear that just by clicking the clear button. And then you can make a new selection if you don't like the way that it worked out. Another great thing to know is that tools run on selected features only. So if I put the countries in here, this is actually only going to run on this one record because it's selected, and it gives you that warning right here. We want to be looking within a distance of the United States, and we want to choose the pirate points. Our search distance is 200 nautical miles, and we want a new selection. So we'll run that and see what happens. And where would we find how many of the points have been selected? Nowhere but that attribute table. So we're looking in the point attribute table for the pirate locations, and right down here it gives us a count of what's been selected.